1975 Pontiac Ville Convertible. She got a set of 20-inch spokes and bows, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. Paint is in good condition. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. She got the 455 cubic inch 7.5 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. As y'all can see, the paint is in good condition. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Deck lid in good shape. Trunk nice and clean. Interior's in good condition. Seats show minor wear. Back seat nice and clean. Convertible top functions as it should. Mileage reads a little over 68,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the 455 cubic inch 7.5 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. She got power brakes, power steering, AC. And what's neat about the Pontiac engines, there's no small or big block. They all the same size externally. It's the bore and stroke what's different. Let's start her up. Make sure y'all go over and visit rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. As y'all can see, she's running nice and smooth. Don't miss out on this beauty, guys. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a good one.